So here we have the Ford Focus on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot of this car first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the bottom, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 64,219. We have a digital readout for the speedometer displayed there, as you can see. You can change that information for various bits of individual trip computer and fuel economy information, all using the buttons on the steering wheel just here. We have cruise control, speed limiter, and stereo and phone controls over on that right-hand side. Over in the centre, we then have the touchscreen for the car. So first of all, your audio options in this car. You have AM, FM, and DAB radio, CD player, Bluetooth audio as well. This car's also got USB inputs, so you can plug devices into those. They'll appear up on here as further options. You can, of course, pair your phone as well.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen from there. It's very easy to do. If we work our way down, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo. We then have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment. That's off. Back on again. You can hit auto if you wish to. The car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the direction of the air and fan speed for you. Any manual adjustment will override that straight away for you. We've got a heated rear screen and a heated front screen as well. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperatures you've set, of course. One of the two USB inputs in this car, 12-volt charging socket. This button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. And then we have our 6-speed manual gearbox as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.